Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the tech news of the day. Now the first news is from Apple. Apple has been granted patent to make true matte black products like iPhones or iPads, MacBook Pros. Now we already can make matte finish products, but they're not very close to black color. But recently Apple has got a new breakthrough and they've already filed the patent, they got it. So if you're someone who's really interested in getting matte black products, then you can look forward for the next upcoming launches. Next news is about Zoom calls. Zoom has been working on AI for a long time and they're bringing something called the Zoom AI Companion. Now this will be integrated into your calls. It can read through your chats and give you some dynamic feedback. You can just write a comment and you can ask for the chat AI Companion to rephrase it, to make it much more subtler, to make the conversation look much more stronger. And you can also take contextual information from your chat and give you other replies as well. So this is definitely a brand new way to integrate AI into your regular chats. Next news is from YouTube. So after YouTube Shorts, YouTube is testing Playables. Now these are like small games that you can play directly on YouTube. YouTube is still testing, it's available only for few people, but you might be able to play smaller games on YouTube pretty soon. Next news is from Instagram. Now Instagram is testing a new feature that allows you to post only to your close friends. We can already do that with stories, but in the upcoming days we might be able to do that with posts as well. So instead of sharing a link with 10 different people, you can just share a post with your close circle friends. Next news is about Bing Chat. Now Microsoft is bringing a lot of AI tools and AI features, and this one is about the Bing Chat. Now you can actually continue your Bing chat, which you have been doing on a web browser, to your phone. Obviously, you have to log in with the same Microsoft account. This feature only works if you're using Bing Chat on Microsoft Edge browser. If you're using it on other browser, say Google Chrome, you won't even see the option to continue the chat on a phone. Next, we have leaks about the camera specifications of all the iPhones. So these are the specs. iPhone 15 and the 15 Plus will be coming with dual camera setup on the rear with a 48 megapixel primary camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. iPhone 15 Pro will come with a triple camera setup with a 48 megapixel primary camera with Sony IMX803 sensor, which by the way is the same sensor from the iPhone 14 Pro. It also has a 13.4 megapixel wide angle camera and a 12.7 megapixel telephoto lens. Now for the final iPhone 15 Pro Max, it also comes with a triple camera setup with a 48 megapixel primary camera and a 13.4 megapixel wide angle camera, just like the 15 Pro, but with an additional 12.7 megapixel telephoto lens with periscope lenses. So that's definitely going to be pretty impressive, and Apple might even call it the iPhone 15 Ultra. Next news is from OnePlus. So this is the leaked image of the upcoming OnePlus 12. It looks pretty similar to the previous OnePlus 11, but with a slightly redesigned camera module. And obviously the display is also curved. Next news is from Google. So Google is integrating some AI features into the Gboard, that's their Android keyboard application. So you'll be seeing a new feature called proofread, which acts similarly to Grammarly. So once you're done writing something, you just need to click on the proofread button and it gives you all the corrections. It's a pretty useful feature. I wish Google had done it before. Next news is from OnePlus. OnePlus seems to be working on a budget tablet. So just like Xiaomi has the Xiaomi Pad and the Redmi Pad for the cheaper segments, so we might be able to see a budget tablet from OnePlus pretty soon. Now coming to some actual launches, Honor 90 is going to be launched in India on September 14th. These are the specs. It'll come with Android 13 based on macOS 7.1 with a 200 megapixel primary camera and a 50 megapixel selfie camera. It comes with a 6.7 inch Full HD Plus curved OLED display, and in terms of performance, it comes with a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor with a 5000 mAh battery, 66 watt fast charging. Now this phone has already been launched in China at a starting price around 29,000 rupees. So in India, it might be launched around 25,000 rupees. We'll see. Now for the final news, GoPro Hero 12 Black has been officially launched in India. We have two variants. Base variant is priced at 45,000 rupees, where you just get the GoPro. And next we have the Creators Edition, which is priced at 65,000 rupees, where you also get Media Mod, Light Mod and Water Grip. So guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and do subscribe to our channel. And thanks a lot for watching the video till the end. It means a lot to us. See you tomorrow.